Morning everybody. Hope you're all having a good weekend. Bank holiday weekend here in the UK. Not so much for me because I'm working on Monday, but I am off Tuesday, so I still feel as though I've got a bit of a bank holiday. And of course, bank holiday weather up here in the north, it's absolutely throwing it down. That's my gardening day gone out the window, but instead I suppose it'll give me time to work on journals and stuff, so hey, it's not all bad. I just wanted to share to you today my last spring journal that I'm completing. Fell in love with these colours, these spring colours, inspired by Artymaze beautiful kit, A Touch of Spring. And Tina Laty's also inspired me very much with some, she sent me some beautiful green spring tags and I just love them. So them two ladies were the big inspiration behind these. And of course I've fell in love with the colour green as well at the moment. Not a colour I ever worked with in the past, but I absolutely love it. Well, anyway, I've made a journal and two matching spring envelopes, which I'll share later. This journal, it's a traveller size notebook. It's, I think it's 8.5 by 4.25, sort of typical traveller's notebook size. I'm never exactly sure on which. I've done a fabric cover. And it's a lovely, if you can see it, if it picks it up. I've got to apologise here, it's really dark in this room I'm filming. And although I've got my lights on above, I always put a blue tinge on them, so lighting's not so good. So I've got this, it's like a green silky fabric. And I remember picking it up ages ago, a small piece, and I just thought it reminded me of spring. And it's like, I just love the colour of it, and it just worked perfect with this kit. I've done a little... It's very rustic, this journal, because I don't know why, I just always think of spring as being quite rustic and nature themed. I've put a bit of corrugated card at the back and I've laid it up with some cheesecloth, some rosette trim, some doily which I've just distressed, and some, once again I forgot what this is called, come back to that one. What is that called? Not muslin. Whatever, you know what it is. I've just put a little journal on the front, little butterfly. Both of these all come from the kit. And the centrepiece, I've just used this beautiful, I picked up a few of these a while back. There's just like a little small picture with the bird in, but seeing as the bird looked such a spring colour, like it's green and lime, I thought, oh, she'll put him in here. I knew I've been saving him for a special journal. I think... I'll probably have to relist everything below properly. I think there may be 60 pages in this, front to back, but I could be wrong. But like I said, it is going up in my Etsy shop, so everything will be, number of pages, sizes will be done properly later. Front page, I've just done a little pocket, which I've used some Tim Holtz, is it the Wallflower Collection paper. This journal, it's actually a combination of Tim Holtz and Artymaze, A Touch of Spring. In frame here. I've done a little burlap pocket with a little bird's nest, some tags. Once again, I've tried to use lots of burlap and twine because I think it keeps with it rustic. One of my favourite pages from the kit, Two Little Bunnies. Some Edith Holden. And I've done lots of flips in this, so it gives you plenty more writing. I have distressed some papers with my inks and that. It was nice weather this week, so I've just been playing around really with my distress inks. I've got some eco-dyed paper that my friend Diana Hoff sent me. And these are the eco ones from the Artymaze eco papers. But these colours all work beautiful, I think, with spring and botanical sort of nature journals. That lovely little fairy again with Lily of the Valley. Just a little postcard. All the postcards are backed to your coffee stain paper. A little tag. Some more writing space. Here I've got a little tuck spot, which I've just done a little envelope, which I've layered up with burlap and a little card from the kit. And it's just got some little teeny journaling cards in. I just thought, good for extra writing space. I've got a little secret pocket here which I've just put 2 tags in. They're just alright for writing little secret things or little notes that you need reminders of. I found a beautiful little botanical book on my travels of the week, and I've put some of this in here because it's full of just little beautiful things about flowers and leaves and nature and the such like. A little paper doily, a little tuck spot here, but I forgot to put something in, which I will do. I think these are actually from a different kit. It might be a nature walk, I'm not quite sure on that, but I just thought with a little nest and birds that look very spring-like. Gorgeous little bunny. A little flip out which gives you some more journaling space. Some more little papers for journaling that I had left over from my distress papers. 2 tags. I will point out now, this is it seems very chunky, and I've just got to put like a twine closure on it yet, but most of this stuff can be taken out and it will sort of flatten quite small, and it got to the stage I couldn't really put any more in, it was getting a bit alligator mouth. So that's why I thought I'll make some envelopes, and then you can take a lot of stuff out and just place them into the envelopes and refill it up with new journaling cards and stuff. Centre is the beautiful Edith Holden. I mean, I know we're all madly in love with Edith Holden papers, but her papers, I don't know, her work and her drawings were just so beautiful. Such a talented lady. I've got here, I'll have to take it out, I think. No, I think it's just an envelope, I don't need to take that out. Well, I will, just to show you. I've got, I think I've put some journaling cards in and paper. Yeah, I've just put some more writing paper in that one. A little collage that I've made up with bits of stamping. Also, once again, inspired from Artymaze, and a napkin with had a pelican on, which I just thought worked quite well in here. Another little bird image from, I think it is a nature walk. Some wallpaper. Another the back of that doily. Some more Tim Holtz journaling tags. Just a little fabric pocket which I've just layered up with some fibres and ribbon. The other side of that little booklet I picked up, and I've tried to put a lot of writing space in this because you know I like my writing, and I've just made a little actually I need to sew that in, which I will do. Oh, good job I looked at that properly. That needs sewing in, but that just goes in there and it gives you plenty of writing space and tucks up here when you're finished. Or like I say, once again, take it out and flattens the journal down. I've done a few of these, I think that's what's made it quite chunky. Another pocket envelope, not a pocket, with, oh no, actually it's a booklet. I've just cut up some scraps of paper, just gives some more journaling space. I love that idea, especially for somebody like me who sort of fills my journals quite quickly, and then I'd just love to keep adding to them. So my journals never really run out, so I always replace them with envelopes, more tags, journaling cards, and I just think you can renew them, or sometimes if it's just been something basic I'll gesso over them and reuse the paper for writing again. So your journals never really run out. Little booklet here for some more journaling. Oh, that's a firework gone off in the middle of, what are we in May, and just frightened all my birds in the garden. I mean, who sells fireworks at the end of May? Mine boggles. Some more eco paper. I love that colour one. And another little flip with plenty of writing space underneath. Some more Edith Holden. I'm just coming to the end of it now, and I've just left some writing space at the back. And some more Tim Holtz I think it's the wildflower paper it's called. I've just laid it up with some mulberry bark I think Janet Hicks sent me. Thank you, Janet. She knows how much I love that stuff. And just a little bit of burlap. Some more little booklet for journaling in. And the back is, I've left quite plain because I just love that fabric. I didn't think it needed any covering on it. Like I said, I have done 2 little envelopes that go with it, which I haven't quite filled yet with I've got ephemera here ready to just go in. It's just a matter of putting it in. But I just wanted to get this journal filmed quickly today while the half's out at work and house is quiet. These have just been layered up with bits of stamping, butterflies, some decoupage with some napkins, and a little quote from Edith Holden. I'm really addicted to doing these envelopes at the moment. I just love them. Like I said, they're not quite filled yet, but they will be going out if anybody does want to purchase this. I will fill the envelopes with journaling cards and tags and writing stuff, because I have got plenty of stuff printed out. It just needs to be cut up and put away. This one's very similar, pale green, just stamped up with some bird stamps, some washi, and a little, I'm not sure if that's a finch, probably not, but a little bird image. And like I said, everything will be listed up properly below. I'll thank you to Andrea from Artymaze for giving me the chance to work with this kit. I love it. My next project, I've got a custom order for a lady who wants a Parisian themed lace journal, and then I really want to get cracking on summer journals, and before I know it, it'll be autumn. So I've got plenty of things planned that I want to do. I hope you all enjoy your bank holiday weekend and that your weather is better than it is up here. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you all soon. Bye.